Hello folks, welcome to Twin Sisters Country Cooking Channel. Today we're going to make something very healthy for dinner tonight. It will be a side, but it will be a marinated tomato cucumber salad. So let's get started. Cucumbers, we want to slice them fairly thin, but we don't want to, we want the whole piece. So I would imagine we don't want them too thin, but we don't want them real thick either. Now for the tomatoes, we're going to cut them in wedges. And I'm cutting these wedges in half. Now for the onions, we want to slice these pretty thin. I'm going to mix this up a bit and then we're going to set this aside. Got olive oil, white vinegar, red wine vinegar, sugar, salt, and pepper. Okay, we're going to put our marinade together. So we have olive oil, a white vinegar, red wine vinegar, sugar, a teaspoon of salt, and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. We'll pour this over the veggies. Now we'll toss well. Now we're going to let this sit for 2 hours before we try it. That way the flavors will meld with all these vegetables. We'll have a great salad. Well folks, it's that favorite time of the day where we get to try our cucumber tomato salad. It has marinated in the fridge for a couple hours, so now we get to try it. Isn't that beautiful? I'm really excited about this salad. Not only is it healthy, but all the veggies in here are fresh, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. So we'll try a cucumber. Imagine a spoonful of this on the side of your hamburger and French fries. It would just make a very beautiful, fresh addition to your meal. So, thank you for stopping by. I hope you liked this video. If you could, hit that like button, ring the bell, and subscribe. It really helps our channel. You folks have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next video. Bye-bye.